Yo, checking in. Just wanted to film this piece of content currently in Waterloo Station. Basically, I'm back on that commute vibe. Was living in Shoreditch, lease comes to an end 31st of March. Commuting, I see it as a massive waste of time. You've got to take the hit and, it costs a lot of money, but you've got to be near to where you want to be. You've got to be in the mix. You've got to be not wasting time commuting, and if you are commuting, you've got to be creating content whilst you're commuting, doing something useful, finding new routines. I'm going to try it for a bit. I did it before for a significant period of time, and I did have a pretty solid routine on there, but I also wanted to do other things which I wasn't able to do on the train. It's just that buy-off, that trade-off. Big thing is just working out what you value most. So for me, it's just being able to crack on, press on, have power sessions, not have my day dictated by travel and trying to get places, but rather own the day and just try and dictate workflow from there. So that's where I'm at the moment. Probably going to find a new place in Shoreditch, to be honest. It's got to be that way. Got to get close, got to get near to the action, in the mix, getting stuck in the exam coach way. It all leads back to one of these ideas about how to win at exams, and it's really submerge yourself in all of it. I kind of do sort of 3-4 a month on the trot, 4 weeks without taking any leisure on the weekend, just getting stuck in and staying stuck in. Because once you do that, you get into it's like you're in a training camp. You're just in the groove. It's elite performance. You're training, you're eating, you're getting your liquid thinking on board, you're getting your brain full, and that's it. That's the routine. You just do it over and over and over again until game day. And you don't take a break until then. You don't go to that party. You don't, go outside the city, because you just want to be in there. You want to be in the mix. You want to be feeling the pump. And you hit it hard every day. Right, I've got to go through. Gonna catch that little train right there. It's an A train. Here we go.